Alright guys, we're going to work on our guided practice, speed, velocity, acceleration. We have our essential question, but we'll come back to our essential question and work on our guided practice first. What we're going to do is read the scenarios below and determine if it represents speed, velocity, or acceleration. So let's look at the first one here. An airplane slows down as it lands. Alright, keyword, slows down. So I'm going to underline that right here. Alright, so we know that is acceleration. So I'm going to put A because the airplane is slowing down. The next one, a bird migrates north for winter at 23 miles per hour. So again, we have direction, which is north, with speed, 23 miles per hour. So we know speed and direction is velocity. The marble speeds up as the ramp gets steeper. Okay, if we're speeding up, we know we are accelerating. The next one, a horse galloping 10 miles per hour east. So they give us the speed, 10 miles per hour, with direction. Speed and direction is velocity. Let's go down to the second row here. The moon orbits Earth at 200 miles per hour. They're just giving us the speed here, 200 miles per hour. All right, so we'll put an S here for speed. A baseball travels 30 miles per hour. All right, miles per hour. Again, that is speed. The cheetah was running 130 kilometers per hour west towards its prey. So they give us 130 kilometers west. So they give us speed and direction. So we have velocity. A train traveled 150 miles in 2 hours. So we have the miles, all right, with the time, 150 miles in 2 hours. So we know that is speed. All right, the bottom row, the wind is blowing at 225 miles per hour. So again, miles per hour, and we have speed. An airplane is heading to Houston at 100 miles per hour south. Okay, so we got speed with direction, so that is velocity. A runner turns the corner of a track. So the runner is making a turn. So if something is turning, we know that is acceleration. And the last one. A runner speeds up towards the finish line. So the runner is speeding up So that tells us it is accelerating, acceleration.